Welcome to Sentence Surgeons. This is a great activity to promote reinforcement of sentence or paragraph correction. You can focus on a wide range of skills such as punctuation, capital letters, word usage, spelling, or anything else. I think the best place to get started here is creating your own exercise. So if I click Create Your Own Exercise, you'll see here I have a correct paragraph and then the same paragraph with errors. So I determine everything. So let's just say I do this. Here's my correct paragraph. Abraham Lincoln, well, I already spelled it wrong. Abraham Lincoln was America's, let's say, 16th president. It's a simple sentence, but now I can make the sentence as long as I want. I can make them in entire paragraphs. But here, I'm going to make it with errors. And then my students are going to have to correct the errors. So let's say, let's do it like this. Abraham Lincoln were, let's forget about the apostrophe, America's 16th president. So everything in here is wrong at this point. I'm going to name this Abe Lincoln simple sentence. I'll say this is about a 3rd grade level. The reason why I have you put the grade level in is because I'm starting a teacher activity exchange where you'll be able to use all of the pre-made activities. You'll also be able to use activities made by teachers. So in this way, it gives you a lot more options. Teachers, of course, can opt out of sharing these if they want as well. But I encourage you to share them. So now I'm going to click Save Exercise. And just like that, it gets saved. I click OK, it takes me back. Here is my Abe Lincoln simple sentence. By the way, here's where the activity exchange will be when it's ready. It's not ready yet. If I click on it, you'll see all the different activities, and you'll be able to copy those over to your account. Anyhow, so I'm going to click and drag this to the to be deployed space. Now, just like any other program on Mr. Nussbaum Extend, this keeps detailed records, so I can see exactly what my students are getting right and exactly what they're not getting right. So I'm going to deploy this to, I always deploy it to my test student, Gabriel. I scroll down and deploy it now. And just like that, it's been deployed to him. So let's log out and see how he does this. Log back in. Students log back in the same place teachers do. When I deploy this to, this is what a student account looks like if you have deployed something from every program. It's very colorful, as you see here. So if I want my students to practice that Sentence Surgeons exercise, they log in, click on Sentence Surgeons, Abe Lincoln simple sentence. So click on it, and you come to this interface. It says Sentence Surgeons, start game. So now he has to correct this. Okay. So let's do most of it right and miss one. So Abraham Lincoln, I know we need to capitalize that. Let's say was, let's leave the apostrophe and the period out, 16th president. And let's see what happens. If I try to check this, let's see what happens. Okay, so it says mistakes corrected. I've corrected 4 out of the 6 mistakes. That's what gets recorded, how students do the first time around. But they still have to finish correcting the whole sentence for the score to record. It says I need to add 1 period and 1 apostrophe. So I know exactly where, and you see where I need to add the apostrophe is red. I can't make a red mark for the period or give it away. I'm going to add a period here, and that should do it. I'm going to click check, watch the score header. Well done. You corrected all the mistakes. So it says I spent 56 seconds. Since I got 4 out of 6, my score is 66%. Okay. Now, it says, here's some useful statistics here. The average score for all users, obviously since I'm the only one who's ever taken this, is 66%. I can graph my progress if I want to do this more than once. And let's see what I got correct and incorrect. If I click here, it shows me exactly, doesn't have the period there, but it shows me everything green is correct, and except for the period there. And it shows me the red, which is wrong. I click OK. That's it. So you can see it's a pretty useful program when students so desperately need practice with punctuation and learning to use commas and semicolons and colons and periods and capital letters, and great for spelling units if you want to write paragraphs with all your spelling words and have students correct them. So this is only $5 a year. I've priced this very, very cheaply. It's a very popular exercise on MrNussbaum.com, and I hope you'll use it.